Now we're going to see another common fault that you can encounter in laptop motherboard is the problem of the HDD or hard disk drive. So when you have a problem with your hard disk drive, the laptop can be powered on, but you will get no data in the screen. Okay, no data. Okay, so that's why you should check the HDD. As you can see here, we have the HDD connector. Okay, this is the SATA connector or serial HDR connector, as you can see here. So let's zoom in a little bit. As you can see, so here this is the SATA connector for the HDD or for the hard disk drive. Of course, the same working principle for the HDD or SSD, the solid state drive. So as you see, sometimes when you move your laptop or the laptop is full, you can get no data in your laptop. That's why you should always check your hard disk drive. Okay, you can find it like this. If the hard disk drive is disconnected from the motherboard, as you can see, you can get no data in your motherboard, in your laptop. That's why you should always check the hard disk drive. The hard disk drive should be connected or mated to the motherboard. So this is also one of the common faults that I encountered in thin laptops. So as I told you, especially when you have no data in your laptop, you should check the hard disk drive. Okay, and when you have nothing in the screen, just a black screen, you should check the BIOS, you should check the random access memory, and so on. Okay, and sometimes the CMOS battery, you should remove and install back the CMOS battery. Okay, so the hard disk drive can cause this kind of problems, no data in the laptop. That's why you should check it.